Shiba Inu whale activity is soaring, while Coinbase and the US government have both issued bullish reports. It's a huge deal when Coinbase offers assistance. Shiba Inu does something genuinely unthinkable each time this occurs, and it's happening again this time. Everyone should be thrilled about this enormous development. However, why? Let's investigate. Everyone in the cryptocurrency industry is having a fantastic day at the moment. With Shiba Inu riding this wave alongside major cryptocurrencies, today's market pump is a clear indication that a bull run may be imminent. The U.S. Federal Reserve made a crucial move today that greatly boosted the cryptocurrency market. The Fed dropped interest rates by 50 basis points in a daring and surprising move, its first rate cut in 4 years. In addition to attracting traders and investors' attention worldwide, this action has prompted Bitcoin to soar in value. Rate reductions usually lower borrowing costs and increase financial system liquidity, which drives up the value of riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. The Fed's drop makes investments in assets like cryptocurrencies more alluring by lowering borrowing costs, which can profit from the infusion of funds. Shiba Inu has been riding this wave of confidence right with Bitcoin and the larger cryptocurrency market, which saw a huge bump from this 50 basis point cut. The Fed's choice wasn't always certain. The magnitude of the rate drop was the subject of much discussion and conjecture in the weeks preceding the announcement. With more than $55 million bet on a 50 basis point cut, prediction markets initially displayed a significant bias toward that conclusion. Expectations changed, though, and many analysts began projecting a lower 25 basis point decrease as the decision date drew near. Many were taken aback by the Fed's decision to implement a 50 basis point drop, which increased market enthusiasm. All eyes are now on November as we look to the future. The likelihood that the Fed would follow up with a smaller 25 basis point drop at their next meeting is 64%, according to futures markets. This expected action is viewed as an extension of the Fed's departure from rate hikes that were enacted to fight inflation. It is anticipated that the Fed's recent policy changes will continue to have an effect on the markets as inflation seems to be cooling off. This development has the potential to revolutionize the cryptocurrency economy, particularly for altcoins like Shiba Inu. Lower interest rates frequently encourage more investment in riskier assets, which could result in larger profits. Altcoins have historically done well in periods of market fervor and optimism, which is precisely what is occurring right now. Large transactions, or those over $100,000, have increased by an astounding 129% in the past day to $33 million, or 2.5 trillion Shiba Inu, according to data from Intelfablock. This implies that Shiba Inus are once again attracting the interest of huge holders, or whales, who are probably seeing great potential in the current market climate. Shiba Inu may be preparing for another big run based on this indication. This type of behavior is typically indicative of whales anticipating larger profits in the future. Shiba Inu may have a bright future ahead of it if the market keeps up its upward momentum and interest rates stay low, especially as more investors join the market. However, this is only the beginning. Coinbase entered the battle today with a significant declaration. The well-known cryptocurrency exchange categorized Shiba Inu and XRP as currencies, highlighting the fact that they are intended to be used as money. Both Shiba Inu and XRP are characterized as currencies created especially to serve as money or a store of value, under Coinbase's classification. This is a significant step forward for Shiba Inu since it brings the coin closer to being recognized as a true money. It's critical to keep in mind how challenging it was for Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency globally, to achieve this level of awareness. Bitcoin fought for years to be recognized as more than a passing trend or speculative asset. For Bitcoin to even be regarded as a store of value, much less a type of digital currency, a great deal of time, discussion, and regulatory obstacles had to be overcome. Consider how much more difficult it must be for cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu to get the same level of recognition as Bitcoin. Shiba Inu's entire game is altered by this latest statement from Coinbase. Coinbase is significantly enhancing its legitimacy and trust by categorizing it as a currency. This support from a significant exchange not only confirms Shiba Inu's viability as a medium of exchange, but also increases its attractiveness to traders and investors seeking useful assets. Since Coinbase was among the first significant exchanges to list Shiba Inu, the two have a close relationship. Shiba Inu gained more attention and a wider audience as a result of this listing. It's a significant step forward now that Shiba Inu is officially recognized as a currency by Coinbase. It shows that the cryptocurrency community takes Shiba Inu seriously, and that it has the potential to be very important to the development of digital finance in the future. This is a huge victory for Shiba Inu supporters. It's similar to receiving approval after a protracted wait. The community feels more confident and upbeat as a result of its new status, feeling validated and eager for what lies ahead. It's an indication that their belief in Shiba Inu may be paying off, which might lead to the coin's potential reaching new heights. But even though today is a significant day for Shiba Inu, we must step back. The price of Shiba Inu has not increased significantly in recent months, despite the excitement earlier in the year. Many investors are waiting for the next surge because of this sluggish performance, and other analysts have doubts about Shiba Inu's prospects going forward. For example, even if Bitcoin hits $90,000 by 2025, investor Oz says Shiba Inu might not go over a fraction of a penny. Oz contrasted Shiba Inu's prospective growth with other tokens, but did not offer specific justifications for this prediction. According to him, established meme coins like Shiba Inu may find it difficult to achieve remarkable performance, even though Ethereum may rise above $5,500 and new crypto assets may witness notable growth. In light of this, it is evident that despite the good news of today, Shiba Inu still confront difficulties. Although Coinbase's acknowledgement is a significant victory, significant price rise is not always guaranteed. Some people are nevertheless hopeful about Shiba Inu's potential for growth in spite of these cautious opinions. For example, renowned cryptocurrency expert Luxide thinks that strong on-chain indications and greater whale activity might push Shiba Inu to a tenth of a penny. According to Luxide, new data indicates an increase in whale involvement, indicating that Shiba Inu is nearing a critical point in its long-term trajectory. This increasing interest is demonstrated by the $4 million in Shiba Inu that was taken out of exchanges and the transfer of over 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens by major holders. This optimistic view is shared by other analysts, such as CRRA from TradingView. Shiba Inu is predicted by CRRA to make a big comeback soon, particularly if it can overcome a downward trend line that has been preventing it from growing since 2021. Shiba Inu may rise up to 7,000%, or a tenth of a penny, if this breakout occurs, according to CRRA. Shiba Inu is well positioned for expansion with Coinbase's recent support. The possibility of hitting a tenth of a cent is now more likely due to the boost from this significant trade, rising whale activity, and encouraging on-chain data. How do you feel about this? I'd love to hear your opinions, so please leave a comment below. You can click on one of the videos on the screen to find out more. In order to help the YouTube algorithm, please like and comment on this video if you liked it. Additionally, spread the word about this video by sharing it with as many people as you can.